Family and Salon, good evening. This is Ibrahim again. The issue is Demboku, but I want to touch on one particular issue today. I want to talk to my brother and sister them because I get a lot of feedback from people them. So I want to talk to my brother and sister them where you be on the APC. I think we all be on the. You be on the SLPP. We all be on the party then. So it can be difficult for you just give up your allegiance all of a sudden. But what you got for look at? Are you doing the right thing? This decision what they make, so the question this way if you ask yourself, this decision that I'm about to make, now the right decision for my country or not the right decision because for my party? Oh, this is one say union them. I make I want to talk to you now. Come over na NGC camp in not late yet. Me people them. Me brother, me sister them. Una can we can work together. Ernest Koromado hijack APC party. Mr. Ernest Koromado hijack APC party. What did Mr. Koromado do so right now? Now in cabal, now one form so they form people them around them where he feels say go be a lead, go be. We go just obey him. Basically, what he say anything we say nef cut word for another fire. It don't done. Nobody know they argue nothing. It don't hijack APC party. Don't take. Now make una go for symbol. You don't want to now. You get other than you want because he believes that they go work with her. So now make my sister and brother that they beg una. You don't the APC, you don't the SLPP. Commodity. Not to the right decision and the right now for the country move before go on. We all know say Dr. Yum Kelana the most qualified candidate. The man don't work all kind of work in the world, don't work for other country there. They don't go develop other country then. Country then today we get allegiance to Dr. Yum Kelana when I go advice they waiting for do for them go before. He don't do it. Why you no can do it for your country? Because the same question they ask us say, but you say if you give me all this advice, but why you not go fix your country? So many people I want big una today. You the APC, you the SLPP. Commodity, not today because now you people you papa in party or your mama in party. All them party they right now it's misguided. And there's go one on dictator on our head. You know want to na day. Una don't make a chairman for life. This is the only chance we'll get right now for destroy the APC party force. At least for now. We go bill back later, we go bill later. But this one, we all come for to NGC. We deal with Dr. Yum Kelana. Salon again for fear for everybody. Una no worry. Salon again for day by connection. Say where you sabi na you make you get position. No. Under Dr. Yum Kelana in presidency, all man the job will qualify for you. They get her. By God in power inside the first 5 to 10 years. So I make this message that the director for una no more. And they get a lot of feedback, say people in they hesitate, they scared, no one come out, they afraid say if you come out just now under APC, let us come out do you bad, let not jail you because they say that's what they do now. Anybody who declare no more way na APC person, and they put case na head. Mr. Koroma, be careful. Be careful, oh, pa, be careful. Power belongs to the people. Now you want, you never fet salon, you never fet the one on salon, pa. No matter what you do, you never fet the one on salon. You have APC people who for support you say you don't make the all man done this control. Nobody not happy at the party. So I beg on the APC people and this message is a short one. You the APC, commodity, local salon go before. The only way salon go before right now because through Dr. Yum Kelana, the only qualified candidate. Waiting a man they don't do as a civilian and as a president self no after. He not near this self. As a civilian, what he do? He not half. What he and his command of so do you have any people like the big guna? The man get proven track record. If you imagine now with the Banka Soka area project, all them projects anyway carry on a salon. When I imagine from become president, lights now want they come. So do you have the big guna? If you did the fence, you know APC person, you know SLPP person. Una not glad, una no say yes, not to the right thing for do right now. The one day we get the party they right now get vision for the country and it's come on and they campaign for himself. Even the one way he put self say where pick where select say one for like big on him mate we know they invoice they call him mumu but una come na NGC not late yet una come no can move the country forward salon na can force past any political party any tribe. So this message that for me people themselves now upline. If you do apply, you read this, come up here APC, they don't make you don't suffer too much. So una come here, all man come, una come. I want you no more. Young man them, una go, youth man them, una go get them, una go in and come. Pull link, come out of the shadows. The all man can rally behind NGC. Now the time this, now go take salon, now fix them for una, yeah? Equal opportunity for everybody. So dear, if you need a defense, you think about that. Think about the interest of the country first. Put salon first. Put your tribes bien. Put party bien. Put your color bien. Not tell me say because your papa be done this, so you say for the day. The ideology don't change. And the Scobado hijack APC party. You know, once on a day, on a commodity. On a come na NGC. We love una, yeah? This is Ibrahim. Bye bye.